Hi, everyone! Today, we're sharing a product installation video for Dazuma's Minimalist Square Waterproof LED light. The package includes an accessory kit to expansion bolts, one product unit, first, remove the two mounting screws from the base of the product and set them aside safely. Remove the product base, which contains a high-intensity light bulb. Please exercise caution when handling it. Place the product base where you plan to install the product. Then, mark the location and drill the holes. Insert the two expansion screws from the accessory kit into the holes. Next, remove the two retaining rings and one nut from the two expansion bolts, and set them aside for safekeeping. Connect the two push-and-quick connect terminals you have provided to your power supply cable. Next, connect the power cord on the product base to the push-in. Quick connect terminals you have provided. Align the product's base cover with the two expansions, bolts, and place it in position. Reattach the two retaining rings and one nut from the expansion bolt you removed earlier. Simply follow our installation sequence. To install the product lamp cover, align it with the two clips. Reinstall the two screws from the base section that you removed earlier. Product installation complete. Dazuma, your best lighting butler.